Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're gonna have a look at euro dollar and we're gonna talk about the potential opportunities that we could have pretty soon here, where I'm looking to enter, what I'm expecting from price action and so on. Before that though, don't forget to subscribe to our email newsletter. There's gonna be a link in the description below this video, and if you want to find out what my analysis is on gold and on Bitcoin as well, that's where you can get it. So go ahead and click on the link in the description below this video. Also subscribe to this channel because every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I'm sharing a video analysis just like this one that you're gonna see today on different instruments. Alright, so what's very important here is that we've got Fed interest rate decision coming out on Wednesday this week, right? And so this is a high impact event which does affect price action a lot, and we're expecting to see some big fluctuations here in price. Now I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and I want you to see that we are in a clear downtrend, right? Recently we had a pullback and I was at first expecting that this pullback right here will create another upside leg and it will then reverse price back to the downside and basically continue the long-term downtrend, right? Well, that pullback didn't actually continue much higher, but instead of that, what we saw towards the end of last week was this rejection week right here, which ended right around 1.0773 level, and since then price has dropped significantly lower, right? So we've had this bearish momentum right here, and that was our kind of confirmation that price is about to continue the downtrend. Okay, now it's very important that the Fed interest rate decision is expected to change the rates, but not only that, it's also very important what they're going to talk about on the press conference after the event itself. I mean, what's their future politics going to be like? What are they planning for the US dollar? Are they going to hike the interest rate again in the future, or what are they planning to do? That's very important, probably even more important than the interest rate decision itself. All right, and depending on what kind of numbers we see, what kind of comments we hear during the press conference, that's when we're gonna see those big moves happening. Now, if I have to be honest, right now at current price levels, I'm definitely not looking to buy or sell. Right, basically I want to look for short positions only since we are in a downtrend, but looking at current price levels, this is not the best place where we could open a short position. So since that event that I'm talking about is on Wednesday, basically in the middle of the week, not a single big player will enter a trade at those levels, especially before such an event. All right, what I mean is that we've got to be more conservative and we've got to be very patient with this one. All right, I would rather wait for the interest rate decision to come out than to see what price is going to do next, and I can then look for positions with a confirmed market direction, and that's going to give me a higher probability to win my trades. Right, I hope that makes sense. So what I'm expecting to see and what normally happens before high impact events like this one is we tend to see some pullbacks, or we tend to see the market pretty much trading around the same levels. It is Monday today and we still got a couple of days until the news, so that means we could see another push lower, maybe even another one, and every time price pushes lower, those moves will become smaller and smaller, and then at some point we're most probably going to see some type of a pullback. Alright, now my ideal entry level would be obviously around 1.06, right around here, or 1.0650, even better. Right, if I manage to get an entry right around here, I'm gonna have a pretty decent risk to reward ratio and a great setup overall. There's no point to enter a short trade right now because we've got to place our stop loss much higher, and that's gonna decrease our risk to reward ratio, which means the trade won't look as good as if price gives us a pullback and it gives us a higher entry level. Right, so when it comes to targets, I'm expecting that the next bearish run will take price below that 4-hour low. Right, and so when it comes to stop losses, I'm looking at the hourly time frame. It really depends where that pullback will end, so we can then decide where the stop loss will go. Okay, if you don't want to miss this opportunity, You probably already know, but we've got a premium channel where I'm sending out daily video analysis on my full watch list and also trading signals. Every time I take a trade, I send out a signal in that premium channel as well. If you want to get involved, leave a comment below this video or just find our contact in the description, okay? So I'm gonna try to keep it short and simple. So that's pretty much what my expectations are, and that also relates to pretty much all majors right now. All right, so I'm definitely not looking to enter a trade on any of the major pairs. We just don't have good entry levels right now. We've got to wait for some pullbacks, or even better, we've got to wait for the news for the US dollar to pass so we can then look for trading opportunities again. And if you want to participate in that pullback, if you want to look for buying opportunities from these levels, I would strongly suggest to look at euro yen instead. All right, if you want to buy the euro, like I said, have a look at euro yen. I mean, the cross pairs right now are probably the best options. When it comes to yen cross pairs specifically, the Canadian dollar yen looks even better. Alright, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, because on Wednesday I'm doing a video analysis on gold, and then on Friday I do one for Bitcoin as well. Okay, hit the like button and let me know if you like this video in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last two videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.